Wow.
I'm going to make a Ninjastar weapon, and that is a flying saucer. Now, once you get it like this, take a scissor if you have, or you can just cut it in your hand. Then keep this aside and take one of the part. Fold it just we did just now. Once you fold it, you will get like a rectangle shaped like paper. Then you fold it vertically, and then once you fold it vertically, open, and you'll have a line over here. We'll take a pencil and put the line on the line that we did just now. Then once you got this line, right, then just next to the line, you will have to fold it like this, or you can even fold it like this, but I'm going to do it like this. I did it by mistakenly upward. So once you do this downward, you will take this side and do it upward. It look like just like a diamond here. Then it should be as flat as you have to make it as flat as you can, and it should be really flat, that it should not come like a spring. Now once you finish, you will have to turn it. You will get a diamond shaped here. Then it will be like a 3D square. So here you get one part, right? That you have to just little bit up than the the ending of it. Do little up, put a line there. Then take this part and bend it just till the line, because there's a reason, so that you can make a flat wing. Then it will come back to you. Then once you finish this, then do the same that you did just now. Put a line here and just do it little closer to it, but not just make it to come above the line, because if you go below, you can't make the flat wing. Then once that's finished, you will have to make it as flat as you can, so that it will fly and it will not come like a spring. Now we got a square here. Once you get the square, just fold this like this and leave it there. And fold this one just like that, like this, and leave it. Then I told the flap wing, right? This flap wing, you have to fold it like this. Once you folded it, it should not come out like that. You have to do it. Then there's a partful reason that I left this out. So we are going to make a wing for it. So we'll have to do this. We'll have to do the same like this. Then once you finish doing it like an airplane, but this should come little below than this one. So once that's done, close it really properly. Then once you close it properly, you will get a triangle shape here, right? Then lock it with that. If you lock it, it'll go a little crazy, but you have to lock it like this. Once you locked it, next one, you do the next one just like you did just now. But it's a bit hard to do this, so we will do it as much as I can. Then once we finish this, I will lock it just we did here. Then once you lock it as much as you can so that it will never come up. And this is the same as a flap wing. So this will help it to come back to us. Then when you turn, you get a diamond here. Means even a square, you can say it is a square. And one more thing you have to do is you have to put a line here, right here, to the left to right, and then do the same as the next paper we cut at the first place. Then once you finish the flap wing, it's ready to go, but just a bit modification. You will have to put it like this inside and lock it, and just a bit modifications. You will have to take the thing that is in the one that is up and put it to the down. Put it to the down like this, and once that is finished, you will take this and fold it like this, and fold this one just right on it. The flap wing shouldn't come out. If it comes, then your boomerang doesn't come back. And I'm sure it will work now. You will have to just insert it in this small tiny hole. Insert it, and you will get it the other side. Pull it. Just insert a bit more up. Then finished. You have to just pull it and make it stiff so that it will never go. Now this is the all new Ninjastar weapon. Well, thank you for watching. Bye. Now let's fly it. I made 2 of them. Any children can do it. So, okay, now we finished. So let's ninja playtime. Good shot. Okay, now everybody catch it, okay? Put it right for you. Hi. Did you catch it? Yes.
Yes, super. Super.
Ninja birds.
Wow.